MTN Nigeria has officially listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange today. The company has faced numerous headwinds in its biggest market, having been fined numerous times by authorities in the West African nation. The telecoms giant has stood the test of time in a market it says still has a future.
This year marks 25 years of MTN connecting people across the continent. Having moved to new territories, the company will now have a secondary listing in Nigeria. This after at least 4 years of tumultuous relations with Nigerian authorities. Having been created in 1994, MTN listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange in August 1995. 5 years later, and the founder, Koos Becker, chose to swap his stake in the firm for Mnet. It's a decision former Naspers chair Ton Foslu has called a bit of a mistake. In 2001, MTN began its journey in Nigeria to much fanfare, only for the entire business to be hit by the financial crisis in 2008 as stocks plummeted. Africa's biggest mobile network received its biggest ever fine of $5.2 billion in 2015. Nigerian authorities believed it failed to disconnect 5.1 million unregistered subscribers. The fine was later reduced, but this was only the start of MTN's troubles in the West African giant. At its peak, MTN's share price had risen over 17,500% to hit its highs of 260 Rand a share. As the firm goes on a free listing on the Nigerian Stock Exchange as of today, MTN will hope that even though they won't raise new funding, that it will better relations between the country and the company. Arabile Kumete, SABC News, Johannesburg.